Project management, it's all about giving leadership and direction to the project team, and of course we're providing complete project transparency. Sean Lewis, Project Manager at PP Control and Automation. So at PP C&A we operate a 3D process which consists of 3 phases, which are discovery, decision and delivery. So MPI fits into the final stage of that 3D process, which is the delivery phase. Within that we've got a set number of stage gates. Some of those are identifying and establishing a steering team, producing measure and timeline project plans, identifying risks for the project, reviewing engineering and supply chain opportunities and delivering on the project objectives.